In time past, I've talked about cookware in preparation of our foods and the proper cookware that we should use if we are going to indeed cook our food. There are some do's and some don'ts. There are some uh, pots and pans and cookware that are completely safe to cook with and prepare your meals, and there are others that are detrimental. I'm going to point them both out and not waste your time. I've talked about this in time past. This is new to some and probably just more or less of a reminder and or refresher course for others. But I want you to understand that we must understand the world in which we live. We must know how things are done, why they're done, and we must be the person that's consciously aware of what's going on, and then we must be proactive at the same time as it relates to any potential detriment that could occur to our body and our existence, ultimately our lives. So in this particular video, I want to talk about real briefly some cookware that you should not use. First of all, even though it's convenient, many of us are familiar with Teflon covered pans. Teflon covered pans are just that. They're pans or pots that have a base metal and it's covered with a so-called non-stick surface called Teflon. But did you not know at extreme heats, once Teflon is heated up, it begins to break down, and it is indeed a chemical, and it permeates your food, and we end up doing what? Ingesting or eating that along with our food.